Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. We have another unboxing to do. This one is been like a week or two overdue. I haven't had the time to do much unboxing recently, and we'll see what they are. So here we go. Okay, so yeah, it's nicely wrapped as always. I can see what it is now. Here we go. Two nice banknote from Honduras. Here we go. Yep, it's very difficult to open it up, but that's what makes unboxing interesting or a little bit excited for See, here we go, and I think there's one more. Yep, here it is. Right, another cool addition to the collection. Here we go. So we'll start off with this one. These are banknotes from Honduras. Value is 2 Lempira. And as we can see, it says Isla del Tigre y Ciudad Puerto de la Amapala, en donde inauguró su gobierno de el Dr. Soto. Spanish. It says island of the tiger and the city of Puerto de Amarpala. This is where the inauguration of the government of Dr. Soto. That's what it means. I still can understand a little bit of Spanish, so it's it's cool. Okay, so this one, República de Honduras, Banco Central de Honduras, the 3 September de 1998. It's from 1998. And this one is Marco Aurelio Soto, Reformador de la República, 1876. Okay. So that is Soto, the one who reformed the Republic in 1876. Wow, very nice one. To Lempira. I think it's also to Lempira. I just don't know if it have the same date. Okay, so this one is a bit older. It's June 12, uh, 19 or 2014. So it's a bit older than the other one. Nice one. Very nice. Honduras is a Latin American country, and I think they have at least only around probably 5 million plus of people in their country. And I work with Hondureños in the cruise ship industry when I used to work in the cruise ships, and they are very good people, very hardworking and God fearing and religious. I guess I may say it. They're religious and they are good people, very good people. They support you. They take care of you if you need help. Yeah. So I do have lots of Latin American friends, and the Hondureños are one of those people who helped me in my early days in the industry. So it's good to have like memories of them, even though through banknotes, that I may express gratitude to the people of Honduras. And Now we go with this one. So this is an old coin as well. It's from 1908 as far as I remember. Here we go. It is from Thailand, and the value is 1 satang. So you can see. Here we go. 1 satang from 1908 from Thailand. Nice one. I think Siam is the old name of Thailand. A very old name, like an old name. I don't know when it does change name or uh, much about about their history, but it is one of the Asian country that's like a tourist destination at the moment. A lot of people go there, and they have beautiful places. And I know a few people who live there that love the place. I think one YouTuber was from Australia, and he lived in Thailand, and yeah, he's showing how wonderful the country is. It's a beautiful place, rich in history as well and culture. So yeah, this is I think this is my first old coin from Thailand. So I grabbed the opportunity when uh, nobody bids on it. So it's a 1908 one satang. See the design? It's it's quite unique, very unique, very nice. Eh? Here we go. One satang from Thailand, 1908. So here you go. This is what we have for today. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. And thank you very much. And happy Easter. I hope you all have a very good day.